How to use auto scroll feature on TikTok. So let's say you want to keep watching your TikTok feed, but at the same time doing your laundry or washing the dishes, for example. For that, we have really cool feature auto scroll. So let's open up TikTok first and just find any video from which we'll start. Now you gotta press and hold on the video until the menu will pop up, and on the top you gotta swipe left to see the button auto scroll. Click on it, and now next post will be shown automatically, so you don't need to manually swipe up. TikTok will do this for you. So let's just wait for this video to be finished, and you will see that the next video will be played automatically. And here it is. So you can just watch your TikTok feed and at the same time do the laundry, for example. Or maybe you're eating at the moment and your hands are dirty, so this could be really helpful. To stop the feature, you can just tap on the little arrow icon in the top right, and it will show you scroll to your next post. So now you just need to manually scroll through your feed just like that. Now, if for some reason you don't see this feature, then the first thing you need to do is to check TikTok for any new updates. If you are using an iPhone, then go ahead and open App Store. If an Android, then go ahead and open Play Store, Google Play, and search for the TikTok. Now, if you can see here button update, then tap on it and update your app. After that, check if the feature has appeared in the app. If still no feature, then go ahead and tap on your profile in the bottom right. Tap on the three lines in the top right and choose settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down until this section report a problem. So tap on it. And here you can either choose a section which is associated with the auto scroll feature, or you can click chat with us and immediately just write down the problem. For example, I'm going to tap here account and I'm going to enter I don't have an auto scroll feature. Then tap send, and after that you will see all of the recommendations. Also, you must be 18 or older to use it. Also, you can tap on report, and here you can report an account and so on. So that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.